This 2018 Forest River Salem 27 REI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Salem 27 REI is 7,628 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.